How to fix YouTube live chat not showing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Then click on U located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. In Settings, you'll find all these options. Click on General, which is the first option. After that, make sure restricted mode is turned off if it's turned on. And if it still does not fix your problem, go to your home screen, hold on to the YouTube app. Then click on App Info. In App Info, simply click on Storage and Cache, which is the third option. Then clear cache. After you've done that, simply try opening the app, and if it still does not fix your problem, go back and force stop the app. After that, open Play Store, search YouTube, and instead of open, if there is update, simply update the app. Sometimes not updating the app may cause the problem. And this is how to fix YouTube live chat not showing problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.